Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 906 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, we've got November updates from RIOT Blockchain, Hut 8 Mining, and DMGI Blockchain Solutions. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so RIOT Blockchain Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker RIOT, has posted its unaudited production and operations updates for November 2022. Monthly highlights include the production of 521 bitcoins, the holding of about 6,897 bitcoins, the selling of 450 bitcoins, for which it generated proceeds of roughly $8.1 million, and the deployment of a fleet of 72,428 miners, boasting a hash rate capacity of 7.7 exahash per second as of November 30th. Jason Less, the CEO of RIOT, said, quote, RIOT again achieved a new record for total hash rate capacity during the month of November, resulting in our highest monthly Bitcoin production figure to date. Despite this new level of production, expected production was approximately 660 Bitcoins given our operating hash rate over the month, assuming normalized performance of the mining pool we participate in. Variance in a mining pool can impact results, and while this variance should balance out over time, can be volatile in the short term. This variance led to lower Bitcoin production than expected in the month of November relative to our hash rate. End quote. Moving along, Hut 8 Mining Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol HUT, has shared its production and operations results for November. Highlights include the production of 238 bitcoins, averaging 7.9 a day, total Bitcoin balance of 8,925 as of November 30th, and the installation of 2,000 new MicroBT WhatsMiner 30S++ units at the company's mining facility in Medicine Hat, Alberta, Canada. Hut 8 CEO Jamie Leverton said, quote, installing 2,000 new miners in Medicine Hat has increased efficiencies and enhanced our hash rate capacity. At the same time, thanks to our balance sheet first approach, we are able to continue to hodl everything we mine, growing what continues to be the largest self-mined unencumbered Bitcoin stack of any publicly traded company. End quote. Lastly, for today, DMGI Blockchain Solutions Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol DMGI, has announced its preliminary mining results for November. According to the press release, the company mined 88 bitcoins with 0.83 exahash per second hash rate realized, leaving it with a balance of 389 bitcoins. DMG expects to grow its hash rate to 1 exahash per second by the end of this calendar year, or perhaps early 2023. This is subject, of course, to the receipt, installation, and operation of additional miners. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. This podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol APCX.